Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And yan, hi, say hi sa. So ayan. So today guys, we are going to the airport because we are going to Baguio City with my daughter only, my eldest daughter. So bilin si Papa and si Yuhan. Ayun, bilin sila guys. I am also with my cousin and my friend. So ano ito, lakad lang naming dalawa, hindi ito lakad ng pamilya. So guys, it's gonna be my second time in Baguio City. So ayan, we are heading to the airport from Cagayan de Oro City. Yung flight namin is to Clark, Pampanga. So hindi na kami Manila guys, kasi naman if you are going to Baguio, it would be an advantage kung Clark, Pampanga ka na, so that you can do away with the traffic in Manila. And also halfway na tayo. If we are in Pampanga, halfway na from Manila to Baguio, nasa halfway na tayo, no? So ayun, and we are staying in Baguio for 3 days. And plus 1 day na travel. And this day, so total of 5 days. I'll be away for 5 days. Vlog ko today naman guys is papakita ko sa ano natin. This is my first ano natin yung sabi ako vlog karon. So yung vlog ko today is yung travel time natin, no? I-update ko kayo sa this is bago kasing flight destination ito ng Cebu Pacific, no? Yun nga, nag-avail kami ng promo. We only paid 1,000 per way, or a total of 2,000 plus round trip Cagayan to Clark. Ayan, so we took advantage of the promo, kaya nag-book kami. And sorry nga lang at hindi kasama yung hindi kasama yung husband ko and my other daughter kasi na din budget. Ma-out of budget na tayo pag apat kami. Anyways, we've been to Baguio for like last 2019. We were in Baguio, 5 kami doon. Kasama pa namin si Indiping nung time na yun. And today, our second time, and yun, share ko na naman sa inyo yung adventure namin sa Baguio. So stay tuned with us guys. Stay with the video. So malapit na kami sa Jollibee Kauswagan Highway. We'll be meeting with Ate Love and Lily, yung mga kasama namin for going to Baguio. Doon yung meet up namin para sabay na sila papuntang airport. Okay, so our flight is 4:20 p.m. and time check, it's 1 o'clock and we are heading now to the airport. Kasi yung travel time from Cagayan de Oro to Laguindingan is 45 minutes to 1 hour. So pagpalagay natin ng 1 hour, so if makadepart tayo ng 1 o'clock, we will arrive in Laguindingan at 2 o'clock p.m. and then dapat kasi before 3:45 p.m. naka-drop bag na namin yung bagahe namin kasi we have check-in baggage. So at least we have 1 hour allowance sa ating timeline, no? So yeah, we are now heading to Jollibee. Nandun na daw yata sila, nag-text naman sila. Ayan, makikita na natin si Jollibee. Nandito na yata sila. Welcome to Lagindingan. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Time check. Char. 10 minutes before 2 o'clock. Yung boarding time namin is 3:45 pa. Yung baggage drop is 3:30 at pinakadugay ang 3:30 and sayo-sayo rata 1 hour advance rata 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay ra kaysa malate, di ba? Ito na lang yun. Likod sa Velos. Manggawa sila. Pwede man dito sa pedestrian. Dito na lang din may motabok. Dito naman po kapaingon nga sakyanan. Hindi man kay kung dito makahulat. Hulat na lang ta. Ay, loy lain kay ka. Ayun, no, mauno sa dali. Lili, uy. Mindset. Lain kay ka. Ako na ihatag liha. Ay, videohan takahan kay nag-luggage ba ya? Tip na mo, sir. Tip sa driver. Tip sa driver. Bye-bye. Hala, si Yuhan di ay nalimot ko. Video sa mi. Video sa mi, Chitbe? Ano? Yo, nalimot sa mga gani. Masa mo na? Oh, hindi siya magsisi mo, mama. Grabe sigda. Video man good. Gawas dini. Surod dini. Gawas dini. Gawas dini. Makita. Mag-google ka ha ang kambing. Katawa na ba? Bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Ay, oh! Pahula din sa amin. Tana. Kay kaihiyo na siya. Hello, uy. Itong gidaya po na kong matahan. Kaya itong akong mata ti eye bags, diba? Basin. Pero itong gid siya tinaw. Itong man siya, oh. Hi! Dapat lagi nagdala ko pagkaon kay makagutom ning oras nga maghulat. Gutom ka, ma'am? Ma'am, gigutom ka, ma'am? Hi guys. Nami karon sa we are at the airport and we're waiting for our boarding. Boarding time is 3:45 and it's still what time? Time check. 2:30. 2:30 sa po ah. Ano si ate? Hi, te. Abay natin. Di mo siyang nakikabay siyang mama. So time check, it's 2:30 and our boarding time is 3:45. We still have 1 hour here at the waiting area and another 30 minutes sa aeroplano kay 4:20 man ang schedule sa flight. So makagutom siya. So dapat di ay guys magdala mo pagkaon or magdala mo kwarta kay naibaligya dito sa likod. Lagi na-excite. Di na busy food kay Pinoy style. Ay pa mag-impake pag larga na. No, Tino. Ay pa ka nag-impake, Tino.
Oh, magtahi-tahi pa.
Nagtahi-tahi pa si ate. Ako, nag-transfer ba ko og mga files sa cellphone dito sa laptop niya. Huwag yun ako na-transfer ang uban. So, we'll keep you posted, guys. See you later. Hi, we're almost time for boarding. Mga 10 minutes na lang. So, kanina nag-announce yung Cebu Pacific na anyone na merong mga hand carry, pwede daw nilang pa-check-in na lang para di na ma-hassle. So, ayun. May check-in na lang namin yung hand carry namin. O, diba? Libre na. Wala nang bayad. Diba, di? 700 pa ba ng 20 kilos? Oh, isa ka bagay, 700. Maximum weight, 20 kilos. Yan, ang bagay, nilili kay 9 kilos. Ano na ito, aeroplano? I think our aeroplano has arrived. Ba no layo pa. Wag na daw tayong mag unahan. Una ba? Dali.
J1042 bound for Clark, Pampanga. Only guests for this flight to Pampanga must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ito ang Cebu Pacific lipat bilang 5J1042 patungong Clark, Pampanga.
Picture tabi. Hi guys, so time check, it's 4:40 and we are a bit delayed by 20 minutes kasi nag-refuel pa daw yung aeroplano. Otro sa contestahan.
Place the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, remove your...
Hindi kang lilihan. So that would be all for today's video, and I hope you stay tuned for our next uploads sa mga parts 2, 3, 4 ng aming Baguio escapades. Thank you for watching. Bye!